Is that better? Huh? Yeah. Again. What? Again. Say something else. Say hi to Grandma. Or to Nana. Yeah. I don't want to talk when you're talking. No. I don't. What? Really? Oh yeah? What else? What'd we do today? Huh? You have fun? Yeah. Wah. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah? Oh. What? What? Tell me something else. Talk some more. Draw a bucket. Draw a bucket. Yeah. Yeah. Can you talk to Dad? Huh?
Hi, Jax. Jax. Hey, buddy. Is your neck getting tired?
I think so. Hey, dude.
I think he can only hold his neck up so long, guys.
Drew a bucket? Yeah. Got some more energy. Yeah. Strong guy. There's Nike. See, she's the one that's always waking me up. I ain't about done. Hmm?